How to change profile picture on Tumblr. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can change profile picture on Tumblr. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to go to tumblr.com and make sure to log in into your account. Once you land on your home page, now head over to the account section at the left hand side of your interface. Here, click on account. Scroll down a bit and here you have to select the blog where you want to change your profile on. For example, I have this blog right here. After that, head towards your right hand side and click on blog settings. Once you land on this page, head over to top right and click on edit appearance. Now in your profile, you will see this pencil icon. All you have to do is click on it. Here, click on choose a photo. Now you have to select the image from your device that you want to change as your profile on Tumblr. After that, click on open. Once you have done that, all you have to do is click on save button from here at the top right. After that, your profile picture will be changed. So that's the way to change profile picture on Tumblr, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.